is a game to play on a rainy day. You know the story about the race between the hare and the tortoise? Well, this is the race between the tortoise and the tortoise. And you'll need to start with 2 pieces of thin card or thick paper, different colours preferably, and a marking pen. And you start by drawing a tortoise on one of the pieces of card. How do you do that? Well, it's really very easy. Start with an oval shape, and at one end you draw a head, a couple of eyes and nostrils. Then you draw the front legs and the back legs, and I guess if you want to, little tail there. You can decorate the shell if you like, and then you cut it out with a pair of scissors. Now, I've only drawn one of them. The 2 pieces of card should be the same size so that you actually cut out 2 identical tortoises by holding them carefully together. There we are. Well, you might have guessed it. I've already done this. There we are, and we have 2 completed tortoises ready to race. Look at that. Now, there is one other thing you need to do to those tortoises, and that is to make a hole right through the position where you mark the nostrils. Now, you can do this very carefully with the point of the scissors. Just make a hole, and it should be about 2 or 3 millimetres across. There we are. The blue one's ready. And now the orange one's ready. Then you'll need 2 pieces of string. Each piece should be about 1 metre long. There we are. And you'll notice that I have a large loop in one end. It's the other end that you thread through the nostrils of the tortoise. Okay, let's start with the orange one. That's ready to race. And the same thing with the blue one. Loop goes around the leg of the chair, and then the string comes through the tortoise to the hand. The string should be kept about 2 or 3 centimetres from the floor. Now, for a tortoise race, you need 2 tortoise jockeys. Michelle is one, I'm the other. Michelle has chosen the blue tortoise, so I'm left with the orange one. Now, to move the tortoise, you simply move the string. You ready, Michelle? On your mark, get set, go. You notice that as we move the string up and down, the back legs of the tortoise dig into the carpet, and the tortoise is pushed forward. Oh, Michelle beat me by about 4 lengths. Congratulations.
I want to know. Curiosity.